Boss, may gusto akong babae pero di ko inaamin pa. I just chatted her like 2 to 3 times a week. Never pa kami nag-date ng romantic. But lately, nabalitaan kong lalabas pala siya ng ibang bansa and she want to spend time with me for her last weekdays bago daw siya lumabas. Should I ask her vocally po ba that I should pursue her? Kasi kung di lang siya lalabas ng bansa, hindi ko talaga to maiisip. Pero pangit naman kung sa SOCMED ako aamin. Bro, ask her out na. You've been chatting with this girl for too long and obviously she's into you din. Kasi based on your comment, sabi niya na she wants to spend time with you. You can ask her naman maski sa chat, no? Pero actually, if you do this in person, mas confident yung dating mo nun. And mas maganda yon kasi mas tataas yung attraction level ni babae towards you. Pero ang concern ko lang dito, no, yung sinabi mo sa huli na, pero ang pangit naman kung sa SOCMED ako aamin. Bro, wag ka muna umamin sa kanya about sa feelings mo, gagi. That is in the women's department na. Sila yung magbibigay sa iyo ng mga subtle hints na they want exclusivity. Kasi once na umamin ka na sa kanya about your feelings, that will lower your chances with her. Believe you me. Bakit? Wala na eh. Hindi ka na mysterious sa kanya. Alam na niya ang ending ng movie. It's just like watching a movie and then yung friend mong sigarilyo sinabi na kagad ko ano yung ending ng movie. Gaganaan ka ba bang tapusin yung movie? What you should do instead is ask her out on a romantic date na before she leaves. And you should have done that dati pa. From the moment na nakuha mo na yung kiliti niya. In other words, the moment na naka-establish ka na ng rapport sa kanya. Ask her out on a romantic date na and keep it simple and do the art of seducing from there. Hang out, have fun, and if you get lucky, and if you play your cards right, hook up at the end of the evening. But of course, women sleep with a guy on the second or third date. Pero like what I said, if you play your cards right, and given na mataas yung attraction level sa ni babae to begin with, pwede na kayong mag-indoor Olympics niyan on the first date pa lang. Kaya mga sigarilyo, don't chat the girl for too long. Once na ma-feel nyo na nakuha nyo na yung kiliti ng babae, have the balls to ask them out on a romantic date. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa yung mga sigarilyo. And if you want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. And you can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Kung nasa YouTube naman kayo, you can check the link in the description below. Push.